Dust on my knuckles. I came up swinging through the iron buckle. Boots hit hard like a hammer call. Black smoke rising when the old walls fall. Hold that line, feel it shake. One more breath and I break. Hands up high, no retreat. Hear the crowd pounding. Where I win. Hold that line, feel it shake. One more breath and I break. Hands up high, no retreat. Hear the crowd pounding fate. Find your anthem.
The king has officially been retired. T-Dog Nation, as all of you just saw in that intro, for the first time ever, we have retired a king, which means that all 290 of these Hot Wheels monster trucks are going to battle it out as we are on the hunt to crown a brand new king. 18 trucks per episode, as they are going to race three trucks wide, and whichever truck wins will punch the first spot into the Super King of the Hill 3 finale. 6, as we will have 16 different trucks. Without further ado, let's kick off the Super King of the Hill number 3. And kicking us off for the first qualifying episode on the Super King of the Hill 3 with Bionic Bruiser, Shark Reek, and Psycho Telic. Let's drop those gates as the Super King of the Hill 3 is officially underway. It's going to be Shark Reek taking that first race win.
Black smoke rising when
race number 3, we have Invader, the Hydra, and from the WWE line, we have Jeff Hardy. And go. It's going to be
Winner, lane 5.
Jeff Hardy. For race number 3, we have all beefed up, Buns of Steel, and that awesome Jeep Wrangler. Oh, good race, but it's going to be Buns of Steel. Wow.
Sharp strike, then 3 more.
Up next is Midwest Madness, a TMNT truck, and that awesome Nissan Skyline R34. Marks, get set, go, and they're off. It's going to be TMNT. Wow, are they very, very fast. For the second to last race of this first round, we have the treasure hunt version of the Back to the Future time machine. We have the red Corvette and the monster truck that started it all, which is known as Bigfoot. Go. Oh my goodness, good race. It's going to be the red Corvette. And for the final race of this first round, we have Burger Delivery, Roger Dodger, and Motosaurus. Who is getting that last spot in the next round? It's going to be, I thought it was going to be Burger Delivery, but Motosaurus comes from behind and will get that final spot in the round of 6.
From the weight I wore, I've been through the pressure
Okay guys, so here's what we are going to do. Since we are going to be racing 18 trucks per episode, and since I want the final race to be just like that, what we are going to do for the second round is we are going to race them just like this, which is a 1v1 style, and then whichever three trucks come out on top are then going to go to a final 3 wide race, and whoever wins that gets the first spot in the Super King of the Hill 3 finale. Who is getting that first contender round spot? Is it going to be Shark Creek or is it going to be Jeff Hardy? Getting that first contender round spot is going to be none other than Jeff Hardy. Who is going to be contender number 2? Will it be Buns of Steel or TMNT? Go. Oh my goodness, good race, but look at TMNT. They are very fast. Wow. And truck number 3 in the contender round will be either that awesome Corvette with those awesome hubbed wheels, or is it going to be Hodosaurus? And the final contender will be great 2 wide at the line, but it's going to be the Corvette. And then there were 3. This is how all of the contender round races are going to go. It's going to be whichever truck wins their 2 races first will punch their ticket into the Super King of the Hill 3 finale. And after each race, they are all going to bump over 1 lane. Race number 1, here we go. They're off. It's going to be TMNT taking race number 1. They just need 1 more win. Could this be an easy tune-out win for for Team NT? No, because the Monster Vet gets their first win.
One sharp strike, then three more. Hydro anthem, break the night. Hydro anthem, take the fight. Lock, low, rise, stand your ground. Hydro anthem.
Race number 3, and they're off. It's going to be Jeff Hardy, as we just made history on the very first episode, as we go into the first ever 3 wide backbreaker race.
Stand your ground. Hydro anthem, shake this town. Shake it down.
It all comes down to this. Your first Super King of the Hill 3 finalist will be none other than Jeff Hardy. And there you have it, T-Dog Nation. Jeff Hardy is the first of 16 trucks in the Super King of the Hill number 3 finale. If you guys did enjoy, then please do me a big favor and subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and ring that bell to never miss a time that I post. We still have 15 more days left until we crown a brand new king. I will see you guys next time as we continue to race beyond limits, one track at a time. T-Dog is checking out.